The premium Here's to Harvest 2025 t-shirt more than just a seasonal statement. It's a celebration of growth, gratitude, and the simple joys of autumn. Designed with a rustic charm that pays homage to the spirit of the harvest season. This shirt captures the essence of golden fields, crisp air, and gathering with loved ones. The bold, "Here's to Harvest 2025" print across the chest serves as both a reminder and a tribute to the abundance each year brings, making it the perfect staple for fall festivals, pumpkin patch outings, or cozy family dinners. Whether you're a farmer, a fan of seasonal fashion, or someone who simply cherishes fall traditions, this t-shirt effortlessly combines style and sentiment. It pairs well with denim jeans, flannel shirts, or layered under jackets, offering a timeless, laid-back aesthetic that never goes out of season. Premium Here's to Harvest 2025 t-shirt, sweater, ladies' tee, and long-sleeved. Elevate your style with our premium Here's to Harvest 2025 feet washed t-shirt. Embrace autumn vibes with our premium Here's to Harvest 2025 feet sweatshirt. Celebrate harvest season in style with our premium 2025 tank top. Celebrate the season with our premium Here's to Harvest 2025 feet ladies tee. Embrace the season with our premium Cheers to Harvest 2025 feet hoodie. Style meets comfort. Celebrate the season in style with our premium Here's to Harvest 2025 t-shirt. What truly sets premium Here's to Harvest 2025 t-shirt apart is its premium F. Made from 100% cotton. It offers an incredibly soft and breathable feel that keeps you comfortable all day long. The fabric is not only gentle on the skin but also durable enough to withstand regular wear and wash without losing its shape or vibrancy. Manufactured exclusively in the United States, this t-shirt stands as a proud testament to quality American craftsmanship. Every stitch and seam reflects attention to detail, ensuring you receive a garment that's both stylish and built to last, whether you're buying it for yourself or gifting it to someone who loves the fall season. The premium Here's to Harvest 2025 t-shirt brings comfort, meaning, and a touch of seasonal warmth to your wardrobe. Let this shirt be your go-to outfit for celebrating everything the harvest represents: hope, hard work, and a year well lived. Other product